Mr. President for the giant strides he's making in that sector. And particularly, you know that one of the a bridge in Plateau State was also commissioned yesterday. And then the president also made a definite pronouncement about the road from Akwanga passing through Jos, Bauchi, Gombe, which is the fourth national legacy project. And that is a project that is dear to my heart. It's a project that is dear to the people of the people in that corridor, Nasarawa, Kaduna, Plateau, and a good chunk of that road is in Plateau State. So I came particularly to show appreciation to Mr. President for giving that road priority. And of course, I stayed back to be able to wish Mr. President happy Salah. Like you know, moments and occasions like this are moments when we use it to be able to preach about the need for unity in our country. We must rise above the divides of faith, the divides of ethnicity, and be able to galvanize ourselves as one nation. That is the only way we can develop.
Sir, can you speak to the issue of security in Benue and Plateau, and what the government has done to, because there are so many issues out there about the efforts of terror?
Well, the issue of insecurity, like you know, is not something that started today. It's not something that began with this president. It's been a recurring decimal over the last 2 decades or more. And so solutions cannot come overnight. But we continue to consult with the president and proffer our own ideas on how solutions can be brought to the security challenge in the country. It's every day that you keep reviewing the situation and look at how to be able to deploy both kinetic and non-kinetic solutions. And so we continue to have the conversation around the issues of security. It's a dynamic thing, and you continue to understand the changing dynamics and how to be able to address them adequately.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.